Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and style labels and text in Draw.io diagrams. This is essential for creating clear, professional-looking diagrams with well-formatted text that enhances your visual communication. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to Draw.io.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to a new tab where your workspace is ready, and you can begin creating your diagram from scratch. Now, here's a quick tip for adding text directly into shapes or objects. If you want to insert text inside an existing object, simply double-click on that object. This action activates the text editing mode, allowing you to type directly inside the shape. It's a fast and intuitive way to label your diagram elements without needing separate text boxes. But what if you want standalone text that's not tied to any shape? That's where the text element comes in. Look over to the left side panel of your workspace. You'll notice a text element option there. Click on it and a text box will appear on your canvas. You now have a flexible text element that you can place anywhere in your diagram. Once you've added your text element, the real customization begins. Click on the text element you just created to open up a comprehensive set of editing options. Here you can adjust the text format in several ways. You can make your text bold, italicize it, or underline it to emphasize important information. You'll also find options for text alignment, which lets you align your text to the left, center, or right, depending on your design needs. Beyond basic formatting, you can modify the font size to make certain labels more prominent or subtle. There's also a text position control, allowing you to adjust where the text sits within its container. And if you're working with multilingual diagrams or need a specific layout, you can even change the writing direction. But the customization doesn't stop there. You have full control over colors as well. You can edit the font color to match your brand or diagram theme. Set a background color for the text box to make it stand out and adjust the border color to define boundaries clearly. There's even a shadow effect you can apply to give your text some depth and visual interest. Additional advanced options are also available. You can enable word wrap, which is particularly useful when dealing with longer labels that need to fit within a specific space. There's a formatted text option for more complex styling needs, and you can even convert labels to SVG format if you're working with scalable graphics. Finally, for those who want precise control over their text appearance, you can adjust the opacity of your text, making it more transparent or solid depending on your design requirements. You can also modify the spacing, which controls the distance between letters and lines, ensuring your text is perfectly readable and aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding and styling text in Draw.io. With these tools, you can create diagrams that are not only functional but also visually polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.